Hello, one more time from the same outfit. I'm filming 3 videos today, which means I'm a little punch drunk at this point. I am in the process of pre-filming and getting ready for Youtober. It is currently Monday, September 23rd, and I've already filmed 2 videos and I'm getting ready to film a couple more tomorrow. And I wanted to take the day to just like, you know, get my together. So I've got my list of Gyst, my Gyst list, as you can see. I don't think I'm gonna get to all of it today, but I'm gonna really try to. If you have not seen one of my Gyst videos before, I will link my other Gyst video down below. I just want to get stuff done today. I need to clean this house. It's disgusting, and I'm filming an apartment tour tomorrow. So it's time to get my life together. While we're at it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe right now? I'll wait. It's just right down there. If you just scroll, if you're on your laptop, or if you're on your phone and you're watching it like this way, you can do your phone like that, and then there's a button and it says subscribe, and it should be red, and you click it, and then next to it there's a bell, and you can click that and it'll turn on notifications. And then if you want to scroll down a little bit more, like past some videos, then you'll see comments, and you can write down there how pretty I am, how fun this video is, how nasty my apartment is, whatever. Comment, like, subscribe, all of it helps my my channel. So you can write, I hate you, Emily, you're the worst, and guess what, it's helping my channel. So thanks. Nobody's done that yet. Please don't be the first. Cool, let's stop procrastinating. Okay. I just don't even know. It's terrible in here. So let's fix it. We got our wedding photos on a flash drive that's custom, and it has our photographer's name, and on the back it has a P for our last name and our date, and it's so cute. Thanks, Leah.